Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting essentials ready. Update your PS5 and pick a VPN that supports router setup or smart DNS. Connect the PS5 to your router with Ethernet for stability. Wireless can still work but expect more lag. Sign up and note credentials, then log into your VPN provider on a spare laptop or phone to configure the router. Once done, make sure you can access the VPN dashboard. This is where you'll create the home network route for Black Ops 6 traffic. Now you configure the router. Flash or enable the provider's firmware and import the open VPN or WireGuard profile. Follow the provider's exact steps. Select a server with low ping to the game region, closer is usually faster, and apply settings, then reboot the router to activate the tunnel. Assign your PS5 a static IP or place it in DMZ so NAT and ports stay consistent. Once the router shows connected, test general browsing over VPN before moving to the console. Finish by configuring the PS5 network to match the router route. Set manual IP and DNS to the router unless the provider requires specific DNS values. Run the PS5 connection test and inspect NAT type, speeds, and ping. NAT Type 2 or Open is ideal for Black Ops 6. If you see high ping or strict NAT, change VPN server, disable double NAT by bridging modem, or add port forwarding on the router. Troubleshooting tip: temporarily connect the PS5 directly to the router and test different VPN servers to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.